Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time zone you guys are on. Coming to you this morning, just to share some words with you that came to me while I was just walking around my house praying. I'm always praying for all of you all, your safety and all of that. And I just thank you all so much for watching my channel. But what I want to talk to you guys about today is microwave quick faith. What I mean by that is we want everything so quickly, guys, so quickly. Like I said in my last video, we kind of come to God like He, a takeout menu. We want everything so quickly. Like, we want the job quickly. We want Him to answer our prayers quickly. We want the relationship quickly, the money, the this, the that, all of that. We want everything done like right now. But the thing about it is, even when He give it to us right now, we still don't have the patience to wait. Like, when we be warming up our food or whatever, we literally stand in front of the microwave and wait for the microwave to stop. When it comes to God answering our prayers, we have absolutely no patience, men and women of God. We want it to come like right when we done saying amen. Like, Lord, please let me do that. Amen. And we think God's supposed to answer it right away. Really? No, that's not how it works. And the reason why he delays certain things is to teach us patience. But that make it worse. When we when we have to wait, men and women of God, some of us, not all, but some of us, we do start to lose faith while we're waiting because we feel like things not happening quick enough. And that is just not that's not acceptable. In Psalm 62 and 5, I'm going to be reading out of the Easy Read version. It says, I must calm down, turn to God. He is my only hope. Hence, the key word is calm down. In other words, have several seats, wait, and be patient. And if you need help waiting, the Lord will send someone to usher you to your place of calmness. He'll send a nurse with a fan and a water bottle, etc. We really need to learn how to truly wait on God and stop wanting everything so microwave quickly, men and women of God. God want us to come to Him, but He don't rush us. He let us take our time. We done been did this and did that and did this and did that, and then something happened and we be like, okay, I'm about to give my life to God now. He don't be like, dang, I wish they hurry up. Man, what's taking God so long? Blah, 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 blah. He don't do that. God does not treat us like we treat Him. So what I'm saying to you all is stop looking for microwave quick fixes to enhance your faith. Faith without works is dead. You have to go through things to build your faith. You can't stay at, the Bible says the mustard seed, but since I'm talking about the microwave, I'm just going to use the popcorn seed. You can't stay at microwave popcorn seed faith forever. Just press 2 minutes and it's done. Really? No. You have to endure trials and tribulations in order for your faith to grow in God, in order for you to get closer to God. If God gave you everything that you wanted right when you wanted it, what kind of relationship would you really have with God? You would just come to him when you need something. And that is not the only time, men and women of God, that we need to be coming to God. And that's why this world is going through what it's going through now, because everybody want to come to God when they feel, quote, 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 that they have it all together. What's the purpose of God letting Jesus die on the cross if we got to have it all together before we come to him? Jesus said when he was, getting ready to experience, his crucifixion, he said, Father, take this cup from me. He didn't want to experience it, but in the same breath, he also said, let your will be done, not mine, yours. So he calmed down. He turned to his daddy because he knew that his daddy had his back and would never do him wrong. And this was part of his plan. So we need to calm down, step away from the microwave, step away from these temporary fixes, men and women of God, these temporary praises, these temporary, oh God, I love you, and give God what he truly deserves. And if you don't give it to him with a humble and seeking after him heart, something's gonna happen where he's gonna end up making you sit down and take several seats. So why would you allow yourself to go through more than what you need to when you have a chance to get it right now? Like, your parents always say, or your spiritual leaders, when they are, teaching us, and I know my bishop says this a lot, my mom says this a lot too. I'm trying to tell you what I went through so you won't have to go through it. We got the Bible, men and women of God. We have it in many different variations. So you can't say that this is too hard for me to read because I don't understand it, because we got the Easy Read version, we got the Amplified version, we got the Message Bible. It's so many different versions. So you saying that you don't understand the Bible and you don't really have a template of what it looks like to truly wait on God, then you need to pray to God for clarification and understanding. But I encourage you all to keep taking the press, keep fighting, keep standing, keep worshiping him, keep smiling through your trials and tribulations. Don't look for quick fixes. Don't look for quick fix faith. Because look at what happened. Look at what happened with Jacob and Esau when they took matters into their own hands. Sometimes, Cain and Abel, Adam and Eve. I mean, really, shall I go on? Pharaoh, Nebuchadnezzar. I mean, look at yourself. Look at yourself. Just start right there. Look at yourself and say, self, would I really be where I am or going through what I went through if I would have just took my hands off and let God put his hands in? I encourage you all to build your faith. I do. I really, really do. Build your faith so that you can withstand. Don't build your faith just to gain. I encourage you all to just trust God. I know I say it all the time, but you really, really have to trust God, because without God, we are nothing. This verse, Psalm 62:5 says it. I must calm down. We must stop. We must take our hands off. We must get our thoughts directed on Him, men and women of God. I must calm down and turn to God. He is my only hope. With this hell that's going on in the city of Milwaukee, yes, my spirit is heavy. It is. And I'm praying, and I know that God is in control. So right now, I'm at a spirit of calmness and understanding, because God is the only way that this world is going to turn around. That this situation, that the city of Milwaukee, everywhere over the world that is going through right now, that's the only way things are going to turn around, is if we calm down and turn to God, because He is our only hope. Till next video, men and women of God, be blessed.